In today's video, I'm going to show you the right way to upload your first YouTube video. Hi, welcome to Clever Marketing. As we all know, uploading your first YouTube video, once you create your video, you have to change the file. As you see here, it says file name, which I change it to Vidly Review. You don't just upload the video without changing the file name, and make sure that it's either the name should be the keyword that you're trying to rank for, so that the YouTube algorithm will know what your video is about. So to do that, once you create your video or once you're done making your video, before you upload, you change the name. I use Windows, so I will walk you through how you can change the name on Windows. So when I come here, this is the video here that I'm trying to upload. So I'll do right click on the mouse and it will show, it says show more. So I go and all the way it says rename. And this is what I can use to change the file name. So let's say how to make YouTube videos, or how to make YouTube videos. Okay, and you click on enter, and always make sure once the name change, you can go and ahead and up. Once you upload the video with a file name change to the keyword that you're trying to rank for the algorithm to understand what your video is about, then you come to the description. What you do here is, when writing the description, you have to at least make sure on the first sentence, within the first sentence, the keyword that you're trying to rank for is within the first sentence. Let's say if you cannot write the description, you can use ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to write a description for the video around the keyword that you're trying to rank. Once you're done with that, you go down and put in your thumbnail. And always make sure too that the thumbnail too also name change. You change the thumbnail name so that it will, basically what I do is everything have to be what I'm trying to rank for or be around it. So some people use keyword research tools that can have different keyword or related keywords. So one can be the main keyword, which is your video, and the other one can be a related keyword with the same thing, the keyword of the video is in it or within it. And once you're done with that, you come here and then you select your playlist, which you always have to create, or you must create a playlist for your YouTube channel that it will help people to watch your video. Sometimes some viewers will click on the playlist and just watch all your videos that you have created. So you select the playlist and click on done. You scroll down here, you'll have to, YouTube want to know if your audience is case or it's not made for case. So this one is a default setting that you can do by going to settings at your YouTube Studio. At YouTube Studio, you click on settings and then you come to channel. Okay, so channel, you go to advanced, and here you can select if your channel is for case or not for case, so that you can make it default as you see here. Default setting as you see here, and then all these you can make it default. Then after that, you come here, the tags. So your tags should be everything that you're trying to rank for. So you can use the related keywords that you're trying to, the keyword that you're trying to rank for, it's supposed to be the first on the tag section. And after that, related keywords. You have to make sure that you're able to fill all the 500 or at least within 400. Once you're done, you go to the next page. And then that's it. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, and like. Thank you.